Most of the Bangaloreans know this place, and it's just an hour drive from Bengaluru. And we will escape into beautiful mountain views. Avalabetta is famous for its scenic landscapes, cool breeze around, and the thrilling cliff that attracts many visitors here. The trek is long and tiring, but every step is worth it. Along the way, I met a furry companion. He was a local guide and he helped us to stay in the right path. The sunset at the top of the hill was spectacular, and as I always say, nature never disappoints us.